I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Caesar salad without chicken. First, let's create the classic dressing. Whisk an egg yolk with Dijon mustard and fresh lemon juice. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of olive oil, ensuring a smooth emulsion. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and 1/4 cup of grated parmesan. Season with salt and pepper. Next, let's prepare some irresistible homemade croutons. Take about 4 cups of day-old bread, cut into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of dried oregano. Spread them on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden and crunchy. Now for the star of our salad, the romaine lettuce. Wash and thoroughly dry 1 large head of crisp romaine, then tear or chop it into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, gently toss the romaine with about 1/2 cup of your freshly made Caesar dressing. Add your crunchy homemade croutons and a generous sprinkle of extra grated Parmesan cheese. To finish, give your salad a final flourish with freshly cracked black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, you might consider adding a few capers or some thinly sliced sun-dried tomatoes. Serve this delightful Caesar salad immediately to ensure the lettuce remains crisp and the croutons stay crunchy. Enjoy this timeless, satisfying, and meat-free classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.